Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by eliminating quick causes. First, force a restart. Hold power and volume for 10 to 15 seconds, because many display glitches clear with a reboot. Next, remove the case and SIM/SD card to rule out pressure or contact issues and inspect for liquid or impact damage. Then plug in the original charger for 10-15 minutes to rule out power-related artifacts. If the purple tint shifts during charging, make a note because that points to power or connector issues rather than pure software. Once done with basic restarts, isolate software. Boot into safe mode to disable third-party apps. If the purple screen disappears, a recent app or overlay is the culprit. Make sure to update the OS and any display firmware or drivers because outdated software can mismanage color calibration. Back up your data before any factory resets. Finally, run the built-in display test or a diagnostic app to differentiate between hardware panel failure and a graphics driver problem. That determines whether you need repair. You finish with hardware-focused steps. If you can, open the phone and carefully reseat the display connector. Loose flex cables commonly cause color shifts. Use anti-static precautions. If reseating doesn't help, replace the screen assembly or contact a certified repair shop because damaged OLED/LC panel hardware requires parts replacement. If repair isn't immediate, record symptoms, photos, and your device serial, then consider a controlled factory reset as a last attempt. If that still fails,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.